So, the OnePlus 15 is almost here, and this time, it's not just about performance and design, but also about price. In a surprising twist, OnePlus seems to be bringing flagship-level power at a slightly lower cost compared to last year's OnePlus 13. Yes, you heard that right, the company's next-gen flagship might actually be more affordable, despite offering some serious upgrades under the hood. Over the past few weeks, multiple leaks have hinted that the OnePlus 15 will cost less than its predecessor. And now, well-known tipster Arsène Lupin has reportedly shared some key details about the pricing, especially for the UK market. According to him, the OnePlus 15 with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage will launch in the UK for £949, while the same configuration for the OnePlus 13 came in at £999. That's around a £50 drop, which converts to roughly $67. In China, the base variant is expected to launch at 3,999 yuan, which is about $560, nearly 500 yuan cheaper than the OnePlus 13. A small price cut might not sound like much, but in the ultra-competitive flagship space, it could make a big difference, especially in global markets where OnePlus faces stiff competition from brands like Xiaomi and iQOO. So, what's behind this sudden shift toward affordability? According to reports, OnePlus's new strategy draws inspiration from iQOO's recent success in China. The iQOO 13, which focused heavily on gaming and price-to-performance value, seems to have motivated OnePlus to follow a similar path. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a gaming-friendly beast, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, one of the most advanced chipsets in the world right now. That means faster performance, improved thermals, and better efficiency, perfect for extended gaming sessions. To make the device more cost-effective, OnePlus has made a few smart trade-offs. The OnePlus 15 reportedly downgrades its display from a 2K resolution panel to a 1.5K display, still sharp and vibrant, but less expensive to produce. On the camera side, the brand is moving away from Hasselblad tuning, introducing its in-house Detail Max engine instead, which promises better image clarity and natural colors through proprietary AI processing. All these tweaks, from display adjustments to camera tuning, seem designed to strike the perfect balance between flagship experience and value pricing. In short, the OnePlus 15 isn't just another yearly upgrade, it's a calculated move to redefine what a premium phone can cost in 2025. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.